Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This is a great opportunity to purchase in a prime location in Mandeville. Seated on just a little under half acre or 21,179 square feet of land and Levy Lane, this house consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, glass shower enclosure, built-in kitchen that leads to the dining and living area, laundry room, single car garage, huge water tank. The yard is well maintained with space to do your gardening. There is a 1 bedroom self-contained flat income earner. This house is waiting on you to make it your cozy home. Some other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, cable, jacuzzi, central location, easy access, family oriented, private setting, low maintenance yard, recreation nearby, quiet area, seniors oriented, road paved, and level lot. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.